ABS-CBN Crew Cab and Services.
Yung mga nagpimintin natin to, wala, puro sila lahat. Dapat tanggalin ka lang. Ay, sorry. Narinig siya na, sorry.
Hi, bye! Hi, Mami Irish! Happy 29th birthday! Ito ang regalo ko sa'yo. Yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Kasi no money involved, di ba? So, Bayan Electronics, digital world. Kaya, sana umaba pang buhay mo. Kagaya ng buhay ko. I love you, bye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Iris! Happy birthday! Hi! Happy birthday, Iris! Hi, Ate Iris! Happy birthday po! Mama, chup-chup!
Happy 20th birthday, Irish!
Happy birthday, Irish. Happy 29th birthday. More blessings to come. Good health. More babies to come. Of course. Ayan na.
Happy birthday, Iris!
Hi Iris, happy birthday. Sana marami ka pang birthday na dumating. Sana magbago na si Daulo. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Iris!
Happy 29th birthday. This is Iris Daulong. Hope many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Iris!
29th birthday, Irish. Berg.
Ano na? Birthday? Bakit? Happy birthday mula dito sa Pampanga, Otambengi, Maypabengi, Saguli, Loklokeni. Happy birthday, Kenny. Roden. Mabuhay.
Irish, happy 29th birthday sa'yo. Sana nag-enjoy ka ng araw mo kasama ang pamilya, mga kaibigan mo. All I wish for is for your health, good health. Always take care. God bless. Happy birthday, Irish.
Happy 29th birthday, Iris, or Iris. Ako po si Jericho. God bless you. Enjoy your special day.
Happy 29th birthday, Irish. Alam mo ba kung bakit ka mahal na mahal ni Kuya? Kasi nga, bata ka pa. Ay, naku, he love you so much, Irish. Enjoy mong birthday mo. Love na love ka talaga ng asawa mo. Bye-bye.
Hi Irish, happy birthday. Enjoy ka, pakasaya ka ngayon. Sama ko asawa mo. Anyway, I wish you all the best and you have a good one. Happy birthday.
Pabati po!
Next time, taping tayo. Dalawang table, dalawang taping. Parang yung dati kung ginawa natin. Dalawang taping talaga. Next time, we'll do two tapings for one episode. And picture daw.
Nako mo.
Happy birthday. Happy 29th.
Palakpakan po natin si Jeffrey Aromin. Talaga.
Galing ako na-perform.
At napaka-patient.
Nakisa mo bilis. Happy
Kapag
29th birthday, Irish.
Yes. Happy 29th
Okay na po.
birthday,
Sige,
Irish.
sige.
Happy 29th birthday, Irish. God bless you.
Thank you.